Apply Kenya eVISA for tourism with simple steps and no agents required. The visa type is eVISA and we can submit the visa online. There are two types. One is valid for 3 months with single entry with a fee of $30, and another is the validity of 1 year with multiple entry with a fee of $300. We have included the official link for applying Kenya eVISA, where you can fill up all the details, attach your document, process your payment, and get an eVISA within 72 hours. These are few details required while filling up the visa application form online. The passport information, the photos, the contact information, the trip information, the travel information, the customs declaration, and few documents. These are few documents that are required while submitting the visa application form. First is the scanned copy of biodata page of the passport, a soft copy of your selfie or passport size picture, the flight travel booking, and the accommodation bookings. Go to the official website of applying Kenya e-visa, where you can see the apply now for applying new visa, where you can see the check status button and verify button to verify your e-visa. Let's start with new visa application form filler, where you can select the section of tours and visitor to apply for Kenya e-visa. Here you can see how to apply section to read about all the information required for your application form. Then continue to the declaration of consent, where you have to accept all the terms and conditions. Either type or select the country of residency here. Then continue to fill up the visa application form as individual or a group. Let's start with a new visa application form, where you have to input your passport information. Here you have to upload your scanned copy of your biodata page of passport. Once you upload your passport scan copy, the details will be fetched automatically here and it will be shown there. You have to verify the detail and you have to submit this page. Here you have to either upload a selfie or a passport size photo so that it will be used in your visa application form. Now you have to provide all your contact information like email address and your phone number. Then you have to share your trip information like which flight you are traveling, we have booked for traveling, and what is the flight number from source and destination. Then you have to provide your where you are staying, your hotel booking details, your travel details. Provide few details as asked in the trip information. Then you have to declare the customs page as well, and you have to provide all the required documents like your tickets, the hotel booking, the return and the flight tickets, etc., that we have already shown. Confirm all the details and proceed for type of visa selection, where you are going to select the short term or long term visa as per your need. Now process your payment with the applicable fee, and after payment you will be able to see one confirmation mail, and along with the mail you will be able to see the payment receipt. Post submission of your application, you can track your application from this page. You will be able to see your pending application, what is the status, whether it is submitted, whether it is not submitted. You will can able to see. After successful completion of your visa application form and its processing, you will be able to get a notification of visa processed, where you will be able to see your visa online, and you can download the same and you can print it, or either you can keep a soft copy of the same and check all the details that are available on the visa